Icelandic Pancakes. A dessert from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Blend together the flour, salt, sugar, baking powder or soda and half the milk. Mix together until smooth. Step 2. Beat the eggs together and stir together the eggs, milk and the previously mixed ingredients. Step 3. Melt the margarine with low heat and mix in with vanilla and other ingredients. Step 4. Bake in very thin crepes-like cakes on a oiled skillet or an Icelandic pancake pan. Best served rolled up with sugar or folded in fourths with jam/jelly and whipped cream. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.